I'm going to show you really quickly before the restoration. This has been tapped for a supercharge application. That's what's going on the car. I paid $100 for this pan with the pickup. Don't let it discourage you, the little surface stuff. All that paint's going to be stripped, and I'm going to high engine enamel the pan. Everything on the pan is kosher. There's no really major surface stuff. That white vinegar and some white apple cider, it'll be fine. So I figured I'd walk around and show you it before I restore it.